And how's it going, guys? It's again. Today we're talking about Field Agent. Now if you like this type of content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, I'm Selfie and let's get into YouTube business. Now, for those of you that don't know, Field Agent is an application that allows you to be a mystery shopper. Now, they've got a wide range of missions that you can do, plus they also have surveys which they haven't arrived in South Africa yet. They are more in the US and in Europe, because Field Agent is kind of new in South Africa, even though a lot of people know about the application, but they don't have enough missions on the application to meet the demand of agents that are out there, because agents are growing every single day. People are learning more about apps like Field Agent, and once they get a database of a lot of agents, then the jobs get depleted. And a lot of people, some might complain that they don't get jobs. It's just that you need to be quick, because these jobs go quicker than any other application I've seen on the platform. Now, when I open the application, it says Field Agent. Now, Field Agent is available in multiple countries like Zambia, UK, US, Canada. So it's an international company that you can actually use in various countries. Now, at the moment, currently there are no missions because of the stay at home or quarantine that's been going on. But normally you'll have like about 10 or 20 missions, whether it be surveys or whether it be in-store missions. Basically, that's how it works. And here you have the status bar, and here is my missions. And basically I've done a lot of the missions. This one I didn't get it right because the product that I was supposed to go and search for wasn't available in store, and then I wasn't supposed to finish this mission, but I completed it without that product, and then they said it couldn't work because you didn't have the product that they needed. But basically, you complete free missions and then it unlocks paid missions, so you need to do all the missions, every single one that you find when you sign up to this platform, and then you get by profiling, cash out. Basically right now in this application, and when I go to cash out, I've already made 120 rand, which I've already cashed out into my account. So a lot of people say that it takes about 4 to 5 days to get into your account. For me, it took 2 days. I don't know, maybe mine is a digital bank, it was quicker, but for me it took 2 days when I cashed out the money from Field Agent into my account. So as you can see, on the 17th it got sent to directly into my account, and I received it to show you that this application really works. And I'm waiting for new missions once this stay at home or quarantine is over. There's 21 days, and yeah, basically these are your mission statements. If you have any missions, they will come there, and then you look for your missions. Pretty self-explanatory. And this is the range where you want the high paid missions, or the closest missions, or missions via your postal code, or how far you want your missions to be. I've got it on the last one because you never know how far you need to go to get a mission, but sometimes it's normally 10 to 20 kilometers away, which is not that far from where I'm staying. So yeah, so this is Field Agent. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, because I'd like to hear from you guys. And one of the quick little pro tip with Field Agent is that you need to follow them on Twitter. Make sure you follow them on Twitter, because they give you more updates, and you'll know when the missions are going to be coming out and where are the most missions. So if you don't follow them on Twitter, you're going to have to check this app every single day for you to actually get missions, and which is kind of daunting if you always have to check it and do not know what's going on. But if you follow them on Twitter, you'll find that they'll give you more information on when to actually check the application when you find missions and stuff. So yeah, so it's been awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. If you'd like to support content, make sure to hit that like button and share this video out with your friends. It's been awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next one.